Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play keyboard and mouse on Forza Horizon 5 on Xbox. First, ensure your Xbox console is powered on and ready. Begin by connecting your preferred keyboard and mouse directly to the USB ports on your Xbox. It's a good idea to quickly check that your console's system software is fully updated to avoid any compatibility issues. Once everything is connected, simply launch Forza Horizon 5. Once you're in Forza Horizon 5, head over to the game's main menu. From there, you'll want to find the Settings or Options section. Within Settings, look for Accessibility or Controls to find the input device options. Here, you should see an option to switch your primary input method. Select keyboard and mouse to enable your new control scheme for driving and navigating the game. After selecting keyboard and mouse, you'll likely want to personalize your controls. Go into the Controls menu again and look for keybinds or customization. This is where you can remap specific actions, like acceleration, braking, and steering, to the keys that feel most natural to you. Take your time to set up a layout that suits your playstyle. Don't forget to save your custom profile so you don't lose your settings. Now that your keyboard and mouse are set up, it's time to hit the road. Start by practicing in some less competitive game modes to get a feel for the new controls. You might find that adjusting the mouse sensitivity in the game settings helps fine-tune your steering and camera movements for a smoother experience. Experiment until it feels just right. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals by following the link in the description below. Enjoy your new way to play Forza Horizon 5.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.